In this video, I will detail how to increase keyboard font size on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you consider the keyboard font size too small or too large for your liking, you can easily adjust it via the keyboard settings. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, click on general management. Once you selected that, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. Once you selected the Samsung keyboard settings, you want to scroll down. Once you get to font size, click on that. Now, you can use this plus icon to reduce the keyboard font size or use the plus icon to increase the keyboard size. You see that? So this is the highest font size you can get in the keyboard. Put in the middle here. This is the 50% decrement or increment on the font size. And this is the least keyboard font size you can have on your keyboard. So this is how you can easily increase keyboard font size on Samsung Galaxy phone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.